Here's how to install Microsoft Store in Windows 10. So first you need to right click on the Windows icon here, then go to Windows PowerShell Admin, click on it and then confirm. Press yes if you get a dialog to run it as admin, and then in the command line you'll need to type this command, which is going to be included in the video description, and then press enter. You can copy the command and use the mouse right click to paste it. Then once it's executed, you need to close the command line here, and then in the search bar type Microsoft Store, and you should be able to see it again here installed. Then you can open it and use it to install applications and other things once you're logged in. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.